Hey guys, it's Dawn.
And Tyler.
We're just out and about. We just got into the Pigeon Forge area, and what's the first thing we had to do?
We just got to Pigeon Forge and we're here to eat at the Old Mill restaurant.
The Old Mill. We're gonna do a little food review, show you the menu, let you know how the food is. While we're at it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got lots and lots of theme park and restaurant and resort tours and everything else coming your way. We got our side salad that comes with every order and some corn chowder.
That's some fritters.
Along with the corn fritters and butter. Tyler and I both got the chicken pot pie. And every entree you get comes with unlimited share of mashed potatoes and green beans. Here's the dessert menu, which the desserts come with your meal. We got chocolate cake, banana pudding, blackberry cobbler, pecan pie, and homemade vanilla ice cream. They do let you get that for here or to go. So Tyler got the banana pudding. I got the pecan pie. All right, for the two of us, for all of that food was $42.06. All right, Tyler, so what'd you think of the Old Mill?
Good, as always.
Good as always?
We got the same thing.
We both got the same thing, except for the dessert. But we got the chicken pot pie. I didn't record our reviews in there because there was people sitting pretty close, and I didn't want the camera right on them with them eating behind us. Chicken pot pie was great, wasn't it?
It was good.
Very, very good and very filling. Each person gets an entree. You order which entree you want, and then the whole table gets unlimited greens, beans, and mashed potatoes. And you get the corn chowder that they bring you to begin with.
Corn chowder is good.
Yeah, it is. Salad, house salad, and the corn fritters.
Corn fritters, yeah.
And biscuits. So everything was good. And also, your choice of dessert comes with it. Tyler had the banana pudding and I had the pecan pie, but our bill...
Both was great.
Both was great. Our bill was like $42, so, I mean, really, I don't think that's bad at all. Basically, $20 a piece for the whole course.
Water.
Well, we did have water. The drinks doesn't come with it if you had drinks, but I don't think that's bad at all for all the food, and including dessert too. We can't recommend it enough. We've been coming here for years when we come to Pigeon Forge. Beautiful area. Thanks, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, this is Dawn and Tyler again. This will probably be on we'll just do a whole Old Mill video because we are back at Old Mill restaurant this morning before we leave to go home.
For breakfast.
For breakfast, because we're going to do a breakfast review. So, let's go
Eat breakfast.
eat breakfast. We are both going to get the oatmeal country breakfast. It's 2 farm fresh eggs, cooked to order, small pancakes, grits, homemade biscuits, preserves, home fried potatoes, and country sausage gravy. It's $9.49. I think I'm going to add the bacon. That's $10.49 with that. Tyler said he was getting the meat trio. So you also get a complimentary banana nut muffins to start off and orange juice. Okay, there's our drinks, our complimentary orange juice. We've got some preserves and butter. And what do we have in here? We've got some banana nut muffins. Got Tyler's breakfast with the meat. Where's your country ham under there? It's got the potatoes. There's 2 eggs. The gravy and the grits are the family style part. There we go. It's a country ham. Okay, so the gravy and the grits. And we've got biscuits. Open that up so you can see. Got biscuits over here. Okay, those are the family style, so you can get refills of the grits and gravy at any time. And I got the potatoes, eggs, bacon, and pancakes. It's looking delicious. Okay, so we got the bill. Not too shabby. $25.45 for all of that food that we had. So again, what I ordered was $10.49. It had the country bacon, and then Tyler had the one with all 3 meats. So not bad at all. Well, what'd you think of the oatmeal breakfast?
Good, as always.
It was very good. Got eggs and, gosh, we had biscuits, gravy, pancakes, grits. I had bacon. You had the 3 meat.
Yeah,
was your
sausage.
country ham, sausage, and bacon good?
It was good.
Lots of food for the price. I mean, you can't beat it.
Banana
the banana nut muffins,
yeah,
and complimentary orange juice that come with it to begin with. It's like a little appetizer sort of thing, but very good, y'all. We've been coming to oatmeal for a long time. We can't suggest it enough. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe. We got lots of theme park stuff, food reviews, restaurants, resort reviews, all that good stuff coming your way. Thanks, guys.